Hi guys, it's Jamie. I want to show you something that just absolutely floored me today. So I'm going to give you a brief description of what I was going to do with this hummingbird challenge. I put it in here and I put roll times 2 amount shown. On the back I put saving for a set of the Spyro Bible series. Now I don't know if you all have seen those on Facebook or not, but it was, you have different versions of the Bible. I wanted the King James Version, the Old Testament and the New Testament. So I was talking to my sister because, here lately I have just felt like a spiritual awakening, and I wanted to learn more about what was in the Bible. I mean, I did go to church when I was little, but when you're little, you really don't comprehend what all is being said. So, I think the older I got, the more I was like, you want something to read. So let's just start with the Bible. I've always believed in God. I've always, had that connection. I've been baptized, I'm saved, I've been baptized, So I just wanted, I think I'm at the stage in my life where I want to read the Bible and understand some of the stories that were in it. So I had seen those on Facebook, and I was talking to my sister about them, and she said, yeah, I've been looking at those too. I'm really not for sure. She said, I know the King James Version, and, I don't know about the other one, so, I'm not going to tell you anything about them because I don't know the other, version of the Bibles that's out. She said, I just know the King James Version, and that's what version I want to go with. So I said, okay. So I had fixed that little savings challenge up so I could save some money to buy them to see. Today has been a dreary, cold day in Virginia. It has just absolutely been horrible. It's one of those days where you just want to lay in bed, watch TV, and just chill. Well, as I was laying there, the security camera, I saw the mailman pull in the driveway. And I thought, mailman on Sunday? What's up? And I thought, maybe the planner that I had bought from Switzerland finally got here. Because that's the only thing I was expecting, which I ordered it October the 13th. I've not got it yet. It's lost in transit. Got my money back. Whatever, okay. So that's the reason why I bought the other planner that I've got now. And I kind of thought, well, maybe that's it. So I get up, I come in there, I grab the box from the mailman. He said that they're running on Sundays because of Christmas, trying to get all the packages delivered, this and that. I said, okay. So guys, I got the box in the house and I opened it up and nope, it wasn't the planner. This is what was in there. And so I opened it up, and these are pastel pen pack. There's 5 ink pens in here. And I was thinking, no, she didn't. So I grabbed the phone and I called her. I said, what did you do? She goes, what do you mean, what did I do? I said, what did you do? And she said, I've not been doing anything but watching the grandkids. I said, well, I got a package in the mail today. And she started laughing. So, guys, if you are wanting to know about the Spyro Bible and how it works, this is it. This is the King James Version, the Old Testament Volume 1, which is books, Genesis through, I always say this wrong, yeah, so it's Genesis through, and I cannot say that name. My words, my tongue, my lips will not bring that out. Deuteronomy. Okay, I think that's right. So you open it up. The paper is It's a nice paper. And this is the plan that they come up with, the 52-week plan for this book. Week 1, Genesis. Week 2, Genesis. You know, you can go all the way through. So they have a note page here, and then you turn into another note page, and then you start with Genesis. You have note pages over here. I really like this, guys, because I'm so grateful and thankful that my sister thought enough of me to buy these for me, to help me along with my journey. And I am just absolutely, I love it. And I'm going to try to bring you all in just a little bit to see if you can actually, the words they're a little bit bigger, I believe, than what was in the Bible. And the Bible I got has got really little words. My eyesight's gone bad, so I need these. The paper, it's not a really thick, it's like notebook paper. So I'm just going to see with, let me start here. I'm just going to say right here with a regular gel pen, an erasable gel pen, I'm going to go with blue. And I'm just going to write my name here and see. If it, I don't think it'll bleed through, but you know, it may shadow. It does have a little bit of shadowing, but nothing, you know, nothing major. Right here, I'm going to check with the, and this is what I like about it, is that you can flip it over. But we are going to check a highlighter because most people love highlighters in there. So I'm just going to highlight this right here and see how it works. So it says published by the Spiral Bible, P.O. Box 1264, Warrenton, Virginia 20188, www.spiralbible.com, designed by Debbie Lewis, printed in the United States of America. So we are just going to flip this here, and I'm going to bring it up. You do see just a little bit of shadowing, but it didn't bleed through, so that's good. I'm so excited to get started. I wanted to do like a morning Bible study, you know, to get through my journey, you know, just take a little bit of time for me and God, to get close again. So this is the Old Testament. This is the second volume, and it's the book of history. It's through Joshua through Esther, I believe what it is. And then the third volume that you got is Joshua through Solomon, the Song of Solomon. And then you have Isaiah through Micaiah, or Blossom's trying to get over here. I'm sorry, guys. And then you have the New Testament. So it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. It came with the pen. It came with some transparent sticky notes. And then it came with the labels that you could go through and tab each side of it. The only thing I'm kind of afraid of, and this is my honest opinion, guys. This is a thick plastic. It's not metal. It's just a real thick plastic-like ring. And I don't know why my camera is being a little wonky. There we go. It is a little, it's not the greatest, but you know, if you're careful with it, it might not break, but you know, I would be really, really easy with the spine of, because now I got caught. See? Okay, there we go. They're not really, you know, they're not really sturdy. So just be careful with the spine. But I'm really happy with it. The best thing I love is that it's got notes over here. So if there's something that I read and I'm not really for sure about, I can write down like verse 20 and I could put it there and then write what I'm not really for sure about and then try to research or talk with the pastor about it. So that is the Spyro Bible bundle that you can get. And if you've seen them on Facebook, these are what they look like. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. And I will catch you all later. Bye, guys.